In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your payout method on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and log in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, look at the left sidebar and scroll down to Settings. Click on Settings, then open the Payments section at the top of the page. Inside the Payments section, you will see your current payout method along with your payout schedule and payment details. Now click on the payout method area to update how you want to receive your payments. Depending on your country, you may see options like direct bank transfer or PayPal. Select the payout method you want to use. After that, enter the required payment information such as your bank account details, routing number, PayPal email, or other payout information depending on the option available in your region. Make sure all details are entered correctly because incorrect payment information can cause payout failures or delays. Once you finish updating your information, click the Update Settings or Save Changes button. Your new payout method will now be saved and used for future payouts from Gumroad. You can always return to the payment section later if you need to change or update your payout information again. And that's how to change your payout method on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.